We've been doing an awful lot of drawing in Illustrator, making boxes and filling them with colors and things like that, and you see a lot of solid colors. But in real life, you don't really see that many solid colors. I mean, check it out. Look at the wall right now. The wall's all one color, right? But if you look at it, there's all kinds of different colors on it. Well, so there have been design studies that have shown pretty conclusively, actually, that people really do like designs that have colors flowing through them. Those kind of colors that fade from one to another are called gradients. It's a color that gradates from one to another color. And we're going to learn how to build them now. If you take a look at this design, for example, you see the gradient kind of fading through this area sort of over here. You've also got another very slight one kind of poking out behind the logo here. It's a circular gradient. It looks like a little bit of a halo effect kind of coming out. Maybe check out this one. See all the nice pleasing gradients go along? And you know, Microsoft's not very touchy-feely, but they've certainly hired companies that know what gradients do and how they look. There are two different ways to make gradients in Illustrator. One, you basically just draw a bunch of boxes or shapes with different colors, and then say make a gradient going between them, and it does, and that's pretty cool. Then there's another one that lets you get in there with a little bit more detail, and so we're going to play with that one. Let's do the first one where you kind of fade from one to the other. Now the important thing with this one, and it is seriously important, is that the shape can't have an outline around it. If it has an outline, then it tries to fade the outline too, and it looks all messed up. So let's say that I pick blue maybe here, and I draw a rectangle going like that. And then I come in, I'm going to use Alt, and I'm going to drag out another rectangle, and one more. I'm going to make sure they're all lined up nice on each other. Okay, here it goes. Now they actually don't even need to be selected. But if you look at this tool over here, it's the one that looks like you got a little square kind of changing into a circle. You see what I'm talking about over there? That's the blend tool, and it blends whatever you click on to whatever else you click on. So let's change some colors here. For example, let's choose out of the color guide. I'll get a darker blue, and then maybe a really nice light blue. And I'll get the blend tool, and I'll click the first one, and click the second one, and click the last one. And when I click outside of the thing with some different tool, I have this beautiful gradient coming along. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, so the way that it works, again, real quick, is you just have a couple of different shapes with a couple of different colors. Doesn't actually really matter what kind of colors that you've chosen. You go get the blend tool, and you click the first one, you click the second one, you click the last one. You don't have to just have three, you can have way more than that. Now one of the nice things about this guy is you can come back with a direct selection, that white arrow, choose a color, and change it. Or move it around or something. It's pretty neat. Alright, give it a shot. Draw a couple of different shapes of different colors. Go get that blend tool and click 1, 2, 3.